plan the stakeholder engagement. We have identified the stakeholder, now we have to plan the engagement. I need to know how I'm going to engage the CEO, I need to know how I'm going to engage the CFO, what kind of the things that I would be doing or making, keeping their interest on the project and making their positive influence. Identify how the project will affect the stakeholder, which then allows the project manager to develop the various ways to effectively engage the stakeholder in the project so that you can manage their expectation. First of all, you want to engage them, you want to manage their expectation, and most importantly, you need to understand the requirements so that you can align their, so you can take the aligned requirement. The aligned requirements are those requirements which are aligned with the charter, and you can deliver them as part of the project. So this is very important when you are talking of the plan stakeholder management. Stakeholders are assets on the project. Keep them as an asset, let them be as an asset, don't make them problems for you, don't make them humans which will make which are working for you for against you. You want them to work for you. Think about them and plan them to know them first. The closer you are with them, the more open they will be with you. So you need to build the rapport, you need to understand them. And then obviously there are situations they might be telling you things which they might not cannot be officially explained to you. So this is all rapport that is happening. This is all communication that is happening. The first version of stakeholder engagement plan is developed after the initial stakeholder community has been identified, which is part of the project charter. Because as I told you, in the project charter you have sponsor, you have key stakeholders, you may have some other stakeholders as part of it. Stakeholder engagement is the process of keeping stakeholders interested, involved, and supportive of the project. Interested, involved, and supportive of the project. The idea is very simple. Stakeholders sometimes join the project with a lot of noise and with a lot of energy and everything, but obviously by the time the project is getting into an execution and delays are happening, or maybe his involvement is getting lesser and lesser because he is a functional manager and he is part of all the communication that has happened at the design, and he CEO, it is happening. But then you get into an execution. In execution there are phases where there is a complete shutdown or a dark time when you are working, and these times these stakeholders will be losing the interest. This is where you come in, keeping them involved, letting them know what is happening on your project. So this is planned stakeholder engagement. Let's see you and meet you in the next section. Thank you very much for